Most people live in survival mode, constantly worrying about money, opportunities, and success, always feeling like there's never enough. But what if I told you that your mindset is the only thing standing between you and unlimited opportunities? That's the difference between a scarcity mindset and an abundance mindset. People with an abundance mindset believe there's more than enough success, happiness, and wealth to go around the whole world. And because of that belief, they naturally attract more of it. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to develop an abundance mindset and start thinking in a way that will attract more success, opportunities, and wealth into your life. So you want to stick with me to the very end so that you can get everything that I'm about to share. And if you love this topic, please give it a like and let's get started. Now let's break this down. The scarcity mindset sounds like if they succeed, it means I can't afford that. Opportunities are very limited. But an abundance mindset sounds like there is success enough for everyone. Instead of I can't afford that, you are saying, how can I afford that? Instead of saying opportunities are limited, you're saying opportunities are everywhere. I just need to look. Your mindset shapes your reality. Your mindset tells who you become. If you believe there's never enough, you will act out of fear and you will miss out on lots and lots of opportunities. But if you believe there's plenty to go around, you take bold actions and you attract success easily. So how can you develop an abundance mindset? The first thing to do is to reprogram your thoughts. The way you talk to yourself matters a lot. Say positive things to yourself. Say positive words to yourself. Use great words of affirmations on yourself. Instead of saying, I will not make enough money, you should say words like, money flows to me in different ways. I have several sources of income. Instead of saying words like, I'm not lucky, say words like, I am graced. I create multiple opportunities for myself. I create my own opportunities. Your words shapes your belief. So start speaking abundance into your existence. Second thing is to practice gratitude daily. When last were you thankful? What were you thankful for? It's impossible to feel scarcity and gratitude at the same time. You'll definitely be picking one. The more you focus on what you already have, the more you train your mind to see abundance everywhere. Every morning, write down 3 things that you're grateful for. Celebrate small wins, no matter how tiny. When you focus on what's already good, you naturally attract more good things. Another thing you need to do is to surround yourself with abundant thinkers. Have you ever noticed how some people just complain about how hard or how tough life is, while others seem to attract success effortlessly? That's because mindset is contagious. If you hang around people who think small, guess what? You definitely think small as well. Instead, surround yourself with people who believe in endless opportunities, endless possibilities. Surround yourselves with books, read books, watch videos that would expand your thinking, mentors that will challenge you to think better. The fourth one is give without fear. People with a scarcity mindset, they usually hoard resources because they are afraid of running out. But people with an abundance mindset give freely, knowing that what they have given will definitely come back multiplied. You can try this. Help somebody without expecting anything in return. Another thing you can try is share your knowledge and ideas without fear of competition. When you give, you reinforce the belief that there is more than enough to go around. The fifth one is see challenges as opportunities. Scarcity-minded people see obstacles and they think this is the end, while abundance-minded people see challenges and think, what can I learn from this? Reframe your struggles. Instead of saying I failed, say something like I learned something valuable. Instead of saying this is too hard, say this is making me stronger. When you believe every setback is just a setup for your comeback, you become unstoppable. So how can you apply the abundance mindset daily? By speaking abundance daily. Use positive affirmations. Look for opportunities. Instead of focusing on problems, look for solutions. Celebrate other people's success. Their win does not mean you have lost. There's enough space for everyone to progress. Practice gratitude. The more you appreciate what you have, the more you attract success and good things. Take action. Abundant thinkers don't wait, they create. A scarcity mindset limits you, but an abundance mindset unlocks your true potential. So which one would you rather prefer? An abundance mindset or a scarcity mindset? So here's my challenge for you. What's one way you will practice abundance today? Let me know in the comment section below. So if you have found this video very helpful, please give it a like, share on to others that will be needing this as well. Please subscribe for more tips like this. And on my end screen here, you see a video here that will impact you greatly. Thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. And until I see you in my next video, have an amazing day ahead and bye for now.